Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a game changer for anyone looking to combine convenience with powerful performance. One of the standout features is its 1000W motor, which provides impressive acceleration and makes it suitable for a variety of terrains. With a top speed of over 30 miles per hour, this bike offers a thrilling ride that can easily keep up with city traffic. The 48V 20AH removable battery is another highlight. It allows for an extended range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long commutes or weekend adventures. The convenience of the removable battery means you can charge it at home or take it inside to prevent theft. The battery's lifespan is commendable, and it has proven durable even after multiple cycles. The folding design adds a significant level of practicality for urban dwellers or those with limited storage space. It folds easily, making it easy to transport in a car or store in a closet. The bike's lightweight frame does not sacrifice sturdiness, providing a balance of portability and stability. Riding this electric bike is a pleasure due to its comfortable seat and ergonomic handlebars. The suspension system absorbs shocks well, making rides smooth even on bumpy roads. The added safety features, such as front and rear disc brakes, offer reliable stopping power and ensure peace of mind during high-speed rides. However, there are a few minor downsides to consider. The bike is slightly heavier than traditional models, which might be a concern for some when carrying it after folding. Additionally, while the assembly process is relatively straightforward, some may find the instructions lacking in clarity. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance e-bike. It combines speed, range, and convenience, making it a top choice for recreational riders and commuters alike.